Ever been stuck fixating on a girl who's just not interested in you? It's like a classic tale. Guy meets girl, girl's friendly, and suddenly he's on her tail like a pup chasing a bone. Seriously, where's the self-respect? Just because a girl's nice doesn't mean she's handing out romantic cues. One of the most cringe-worthy scenes is when a dude is chasing after a girl who's secretly rolling her eyes. Been there, done that. I made that mistake before. I used to invest my emotions in girls who were practically sprinting away from me. Looking back, the signs were neon bright that she wasn't feeling it. I was holding on for dear life, looking like a total sad case. Lesson learned. When she's not into you, she's not into you. No amount of hanging on changes that. I get it. It hurts. But rather than diving into the same old pattern, let's go over 10 unmistakable signs she's just not feeling the vibe. It might sting a bit, but trust me, the discomfort now beats the pain of being a running joke with the ladies. Stick around and we'll save you from some heartache. First things first, if you're the one constantly blowing up her phone, you might want to hit the brakes. Ladies, you know they can chat for days, right? I mean seriously, they can't seem to stop talking. Now flip the script. If you as a guy are out texting her, it's not just a little off. It's kind of a feminine move. And trust me, it's not putting you at the top of her priority list. Let's get real here. If you're putting in more effort into the conversation than she is, it's a red flag. Face it, she doesn't dig you as much as you're digging her. You really think you're the only guy in her messages? Come on, wake up. You're probably sitting at option 3 or 4, maybe even lower on her list. One thing's crystal clear. You're far from her top pick if you're playing text tag more than she is. Here's the deal. Women spill their guts to the guys they're crazy about. They want to share their deepest thoughts, dreams, and all the jazz with the man they picture a future with. So if her replies are as short and cold as a frozen pizza, or she's hitting you with one-word wonders, sorry my friend, she's just not feeling it. She's not interested in you. Let's move to number 2. If she's constantly chatting about other dudes, whether they're A-list celebs or her ex, it's not a good sign. Let's be real, it's pretty gross, and it screams she's just not that into you. Save yourself the headache, hit that block button, and move on. This one's clearly not worth your time. She's out there for the streets, my friend. Now let's talk about the classic move. Pretending. We all know that when girls aren't feeling it, they pull out the acting card. Suddenly they've got a boyfriend, or they're miraculously asleep during your text marathon. It's their go-to rather than just saying sorry, not interested. Because let's face it, women aren't always as direct as guys. Ever wonder why there's no saying about being a woman of your word? Well, it's because sometimes lies become a girl's best pal. When she's not vibing with you, she'll throw up the pretense curtain. She will throw something like, I'm busy right now. Now don't get me wrong. I'm not saying a girl can't genuinely be busy. Life happens. But when a high-value man hits her up, the calendar suddenly finds itself in the trash. There's no flakiness for an alpha male. He takes the lead and she's all about it. Let's dive into number 4, the lack of personal questions. Now here's the deal. Mystery is key when it comes to attracting women. If a lady isn't intrigued or curious about you, chances are slim she's going to be into you. You might think you're having a chat, but in reality, you're just talking to yourself. When a girl isn't throwing any personal questions your way, and all you get is the classic, what about you? As a response, it's a clear sign she's not feeling it. Why? Because when a woman's into a man, she wants to know everything about him. She's scrolling through his socials, getting the lowdown from her girlfriends, and on a date, you bet she'll be firing off those personal questions to unravel the mystery that is you. Now let's talk about number 5, flakiness. You ever make plans with her and she's all in, only to bail later? Sure, life throws curveballs, but here's the real test. Does she apologize and make a genuine effort to reschedule? If not, that cancellation was intentional. An uninterested woman won't be bothered about wasting your time. Moving on to number 6, the phone situation. If you're with a girl and she's glued to her phone like it's her lifeline, she's not showing much interest or respect. Seriously, do you think she's some big-shot businesswoman handling crucial matters? No, she's likely scrolling through socials or texting someone else. Best move? Politely excuse yourself while she's deep into her phone world. Save yourself the headache. Now let's chat about number 7, the halfway date proposal. Now, if a woman suggests meeting up, but only if it's halfway, geographically speaking, there's a good chance she's not fully into you. Here's the deal. Women have options, a lot of them. They carefully pick who they see as their top choice. If you're not her absolute number 1, she's going to weigh how much effort she's willing to put into the meetup. She won't risk too many resources on someone who's not her top pick. Contrast that with her approach to the number 1 guy. she'd cross countries to meet the high-value man of her dreams. So if she's not ready to go that extra mile to see you or seems overly cautious about investing too much, well, my friend, you're not her number one. You might be investing time in someone who's not feeling you as much as you're feeling her. Time to reevaluate. Let's talk about number 8. If she's always bringing in the squad when you're trying to spend some quality time together, it's a clear sign. You might want to consider moving on. If she's not up for one-on-one moments and insists on having friends around, it's time to accept the reality. Meet her at her own game. Be the one who walks away. Because here's the deal, women are pretty darn good at finding alone time when they truly want it. If she's not making that effort, it might be time to keep it moving and find someone who's on the same page. Let's dive into number 9. When you pop the question and she's not exactly thrilled. Look, if a lady is genuinely interested in you and excited about the idea of going out, you're going to feel that vibe. It's like this happy, electric moment where everything seems possible. On the flip side, if she's hesitating, unsure, or just not beaming with joy about the whole thing, it's time for a reality check. For women, being asked out by a guy they're into is supposed to be this exciting, thrilling moment. If she's not showing that enthusiasm, there's a chance she's not saying yes for the right reasons. She might be in it for the free dinner or just buying time because she's not sure how to let you down gently. Either way, it usually doesn't spell a happy ending for the guy. Now let's talk about number 10. Personal space. Now, women generally enjoy a bit of physical touch from someone they're into or interested in. But here's the real talk. If a guy not feeling the romantic moves, it's more likely that he makes her queasy than anything else. Here's the deal. If a woman's not letting you into her personal bubble, there's a reason. We all have this unspoken, invisible line. When you're not that into someone, having them breach that space feels uncomfortable and, let's be honest, a bit disrespectful. Now flip the script. If she's all in and doesn't mind you getting a bit closer, that's a good sign. But if you notice her stepping back as you move in, well, it's a red flag. Even if she's got a smile plastered on, actions speak louder than her friendly demeanor. When a woman's interested in you, invading her personal space is more like an exciting invitation than an intrusion. So guys, hopefully this video has helped you to understand the signs a girl isn't interested in you and has equipped you with some solid steps you can take to get off the rejection and save you the headache. The real truth, men, is this. Not everyone is going to be 100% into you, but you're a niche product. Keep dating and find the woman who will love you. They're out there, and they're worth it. You know what sucks? Really being into someone who just doesn't feel the same way. And if you're seeing some of those signs we talked about, you're probably feeling pretty down. But hey, if you're still not sure whether she's into you romantically, I got a foolproof way to figure it out. Just be straight up and ask her if she'd be down for a date, she suggests. The guts you show will say a lot about you. It's like a dating rule that separates the grown-ups from the boys. Just make sure you respect whatever her answer is, no matter what. Oh, by the way, if you're looking to step up your game in life, don't forget to spread some awesome love by smashing that like and subscribe button. Until next time.